morning student. In our last period, we have learned about the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. And in the first period, you learned about how to prepare a formal invitation. In the second period, I taught you how to prepare a notice for the notice board. And in third period, we have learned about the telephone conversation to invite some person. Now, today I am going to tell you the conversation or the message the students pass the message to their parents. Seeing eyes, helping hands. You know very well what is the project. The project is started by New Vision High School, and some persons took query, some persons gave their contribution for this project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Mr. Ajinkya was the in charge of this project. Two students were the secretaries Komal and now we are going to learn the next part of this lesson, means students pass on the message to their parents. Here the sample is given us. Mommy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. The student who is passing this message to his parents is Samir. He told his mother that she and his father, his daddy, were invited for the inauguration of the project, are invited to his school on coming Sunday, and the date is 9. What's the occasion? Samir's mother asked her, for what? Your school invite us, both of us. What is the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Then Samir answered to his mother, that our school, New Vision High School, is going to run a project. The name of that project is Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. And he told why the school invite his father and his mother. He told his mother the function to inaugurate it on Sunday 10 sharp. The function of the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands is going to take place in our school on coming Sunday at 10 o'clock, and so that our school invite both of you. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Then he told students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. Then mother asked him where it is, means where the inauguration of the project is going to take place. Then Samir answered, it is in our school assembly hall. The project is going to the inauguration is going to take place in our assembly hall. How long will it be? Then mother asked, how long will it be, means how much time this inauguration program will take? About an hour. Miss Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. Samir answered, the program of the inauguration will take about an hour. Miss 9 will be there and she will inaugurate the program. She is going to inaugurate the program. I see. And what is this project about? Then mother asked, you told me that some inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands is going to take place in your school. Your school, I invite us. The place you told me where the function is going to take place, then the time you told me. But what is the project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others. Then Samir explained about their Seeing Eyes Helping Hands project. He told his mother that we, the student of our school who are related to this project, we were all visit the places and work there and work for others. When we visit different places, we work for the people who live there. Turn by turn, they will explain that on Sunday. We will do this project work turn by turn, and when you will come for the function, our school teacher will explain about that. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Then mother asked Samir, means are you going to participate in that project? Are you the part of that project? Yes, mummy. Samir answered, yes, mummy. I am also the part of that project. Let's see, daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. Mother told him that his father and she both will not able to attend that function, but one of them will accompany Samir. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. Samir said that would be nice. Means if mother or father will come, it will be nice because their son, Mr. Ajinkya, specially asked the students to invite their parents to attend the inauguration function and to know about the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Now we have finished our lesson here, and on tomorrow means on in our next period I will give you some question and answers about this lesson.